Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom Reboot in Glam Magic Power. This incredible feature lets you revitalize your magical abilities, offering a fresh start to optimize your spellcasting. We'll cover everything from initial preparations to the final activation, ensuring you can harness its full potential. Get ready to transform your gameplay and unlock new levels of magical mastery with this essential guide. Before you can begin the quest for Bloom Reboot, some crucial preparations are necessary. First, ensure your character has achieved at least level 55 to meet the basic requirements. Next, you must have successfully completed the Whispering Woods questline, as it unlocks key areas. Finally, gather 350 units of Stardust and 120 units of Moon Petal, which are vital crafting components. Now, let's dive into the acquisition process. Head to the Ancient Altar, nestled high within the Celestial Peaks region. Once there, interact with the altar and offer your gathered 350 units of Stardust and 120 units of Moon Petal. Following this, you'll face a brief magical challenge, typically lasting around 2 minutes, designed to test your focus and skill. Successfully completing it will grant you the Bloom Reboot. Once you've acquired Bloom Reboot, using it is straightforward. Navigate to your character's abilities menu and locate the Bloom Reboot option. Activating it will instantly reset your current magical skill tree, allowing you to reallocate all your accumulated skill points. This empowers you to craft a completely new, optimized build, perfectly tailored to your current playstyle or a new strategy you wish to explore. Enjoy your revitalized magical journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.